Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to shop on Shein. First, all you need to do, head over to the Shein website like I have here, and you'll be able to see lots of different categories on different things that you can buy from the Shein website. I'm going to select, for example, men, and see if there's any clothing that I may want to buy. From here you can see lots of different products that Shein offers. Once you've found something that you like, simply click on it. You can choose different colors depending on the thing that you've decided to buy. You can select the size. They also give you a size guide, so you can make sure that the clothing that you buy will fit you. And then from there, simply click Add to Cart. Once you've added everything that you want to your cart, simply head up here to the top right, click on View Cart. You can see all the different payment types that they accept. Click on Checkout Now. If you need to create an account, simply create an account and follow those steps. And then from there, you'll be heading to the payment method. Select from the payment method that you would like to use. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.